Today we're making cracked pepper Parmesan popcorn. We're using this seasoning that we got at the grocery store. It's by Kinder's. We've used Kinder's products before, and this one is the cracked pepper Parmesan. So we're gonna give this a shot. Let's smell it, see what it smells like. Oh yeah. Oh, you can definitely smell the cracked pepper. And it's cheesy too. Okay, yeah. I think this is gonna be good. I mean, it's definitely gonna be a savory flavor. I'm not sure if it's gonna be spicy. I mean, it's cracked pepper. Typically that's not super spicy, but this should be really good. So let's get popping. First thing we're gonna do is turn on our heat. Check the temperature of our kettle. We're at 368 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's plenty good. We're gonna add in 2 ounces of our Luana popping oil. We're gonna add in 6 ounces of kernels. Let's turn on our motor. Take a look in there. See those kernels spinning around with our oil. Let that heat up. To make this popcorn, we're gonna be using Luana style popping oil. This is a buttery topping oil. You can use it to pop popcorn in it, and you can also top your buttery popcorn with it as well. So we're gonna use this. And we're gonna cover all of this in about 1/4 cup of this black pepper Parmesan. Turn off our motor, turn off our heat, dump. We have our nice popcorn here. While it's still hot, we're gonna put that popcorn into this 2-gallon Ziploc bag. In our bag, it's still nice and hot. Now we're gonna add in 1/4 cup of the seasoning. Zip it up. Mix it up. All right, we have our popcorn here. Oh, it smells cheesy. Now we're gonna take that and we're gonna dump it into a bowl. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that. Look how good that looks. That's awesome. Let's take a couple pieces here. These look so good. Let's give them a try. Oh yeah. That is so good. That's like, you can really taste the cracked pepper. And then the Parmesan cheese afterwards, it kind of just rounds it out. Ooh, you can definitely taste the cracked pepper. It's getting me like right in the back of the tongue. That is so good. What a great flavor. So savory. It's really delicious, really tasty. That cracked pepper, the Parmesan, so good. This is just a jar of seasoning that we got at the grocery store, and we made this great flavor. Remember, you can do this too. You just got to get out there and get poppin'.